Mythos story is no longer just a research announcement, it is a Rorschach test for how the institutional world is processing an AI capability curve that can materially outrun its policy, its compute, and the cyber remediation infrastructure. In effect, Mythos is the first major frontier model whose primacy commercial structure is determined by what it cannot be allowed to do. That inversion from capability rollout to capability containment is likely to reoccur. Anthropic is explicit that it did not train Mythos for cyber offensive performance. That capability emerged downstream of broader gains in code reasoning, agentic autonomy, and long horizon planning. This is the most important framing point in the entire conversation. Cyber capability is now an emergent property of capability and not a specified research direction. It will appear in every frontier model that crosses a similar threshold of reasoning and software engineering ability, including those trained by labs that may be less inclined to gate the releases. And this brings us to the Project Glasswing and the gating structure. Anthropic does not plan to release Mythos to the public. Instead, the model has been distributed through Project Glasswing, an industry consortium of named launch partners alongside 40 additional organizations that build or maintain critical software infrastructure. Public Glasswing partners include Apple, Microsoft, Google, AWS, Cisco, JP Morgan Chase, Palo Alto Networks, and Mozilla. Anthropic has committed to up to 100 million in model usage credits to Project Glasswing, plus 4 million in different donations to open source security organizations, including Alpha Orange, OpenSSF, and Apache Software Foundation. The argument behind Project Glasswing is symmetry. The same capability that enables an attacker to find vulnerabilities at scale enables the defender to find and patch them at scale, but only if the defenders move first. Herein, we would also like to point out Mythos gating reflects Anthropic's responsible scaling policy, the internal framework that defines capability thresholds requiring additional safeguards before public deployment. Mythos triggers thresholds that earlier cloud models did not. Anthropic has signaled that it intends to launch new safeguards with the upcoming Opus model, one that does not present the same risk profile, and use the release to define the controls that would eventually allow Mythos class capabilities to be deployed more broadly. In closing, we can say that the Mythos is the first major frontier model whose primary commercial structure is determined by what it cannot be allowed to do. That inversion, as you mentioned before, from capability rollout to capability containment is likely to become a recurring pattern amongst the AI systems that cross the threshold of national security relevance.